Every day, we often have to ask and care about how people around us are feeling, as well as share with them how we feel. Let's watch the video to learn how to use the question, "How do you feel today?" and the way to answer it. On a camping trip. Jack, the view is incredible. How do you feel?
I feel so relaxing. I love the fresh air in the mountain.
Have you ever been to this mountain before?
No, it is quite far. Normally I go camping around the city.
True, but the view is worth it, isn't it?
Absolutely.
It has been a long time since my last camping trip.
Yeah, me too. I'm glad that I can join this time.
Right? You had food poisoning a few days ago. I thought you would not be able to join.
Yeah, this poisoning was pretty bad, but I'm totally fine now.
So, why do you still look tired, though?
Nah, I'm not tired at all. I'm just a little bit worried about work.
What's wrong?
You know, I had 3 days off because of sickness, so there are still lots of work that needs to be done.
Come on, stop thinking about work and enjoy our trip.
I know, but still.
Even when you think about it now, nothing changes.
You're right. Let's forget about it.
When we are back, if you need any help, just tell me. Cheer up, man.
Thank you so much.
Let's set up the tents then.
Yeah, let's go.
When boyfriend confessed his love.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Lauren. Are you busy now?
No, what's up? Have you arrived in Paris?
No, I'm still in London.
Really? But you told me you have a flight today, right?
Yeah. Guess why I'm still here?
You sound very happy. Stop making me feel so curious. What happened?
I'm happy because I'm not single anymore.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm with Thomas now. We're on a date.
Really? But just yesterday evening, you were still sad about him.
Yeah, but today he went to the airport and confessed to me.
Wow, congratulations, Anna.
Thanks, bestie.
Is Thomas next to you now?
No, he's going to buy some food, so I gave you a call.
Then how do you feel when he came and held you back?
I was very surprised at first, but then I was extremely happy.
You must have a big smile inside, right?
Yeah, when I saw him, I had to try to act normal until he confessed his feeling for me.
I'm so happy for you, Anna. I know how much you love him.
Thanks, Lauren. Let's gather up this weekend so we can chat more.
Sure, but you will not be with him?
Not the whole weekend, come on.
So, is Saturday afternoon okay for you?
Yes, come to my house then. I will cook you grand dinner.
Nice, totally agree.
Okay, then see you this weekend. Bye.
Okay, see you. Bye.
On the holiday. Bill, why do you wake up so early? It's just 7 a.m.
Yeah, I must be used to waking up early. How about you?
I just woke up and couldn't get back to sleep.
Did I wake you up?
Of course not. Wow, such a beautiful morning. Let's go outside and get some fresh air.
Yeah, let's go.
Eventually, you have some free time.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Finally, this project finished successfully.
Even on the weekends, you only thought about work.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a workaholic.
It's been a long time since you truly had a day off. How do you feel?
I feel very relaxed and comfortable, but it seems a bit unfamiliar.
What's wrong?
It's like I don't know what to do for the rest of the day.
You're used to being busy.
That's for sure. Then today I'm all yours.
Really? So could you cook a celebratory meal for me today?
Yes, of course. But I haven't cooked in a while. Are you sure you want me to cook?
No problem. I will help you.
So, now let's go to the supermarket to buy some ingredients.
Okay, let's go back and get the car.
Okay.